Hello Wildcats, this is Miss Ivy coming at you for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I'm sharing with you The Graveyard Book by Neil Gaiman. This is kind of a ghost spooky story. So in this book our main character Bod is an unusual boy who is living in an unusual place. So he lives in the local resident graveyard. Ever since he was an infant he's been raised by werewolves and ghosts and the other scary creatures that live there. So needless to say, he does not have a lot of friends. But he has learned the old ghost customs and their traditions as his guardians have raised him. He's also learned the ability to fade so that the mere mortals just can't see him. What is it that he's trying to hide from? Is it possible that a boy could be raised by ghosts and still face the wonders and the terrors of the everyday world that we live in? To find out, read The Graveyard Book by Neil Gaiman. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.